Introducing cashboi.com.bd. Let's see how to make new purchase entry. To make a new purchase entry, select Purchase from the menu bar. Click on New Purchase. Select your store from drop-down. Select your product supplier. Now select your purchased product item. And see the item is already selected. Add product quantity. And you will see net amount automatically updated. To add more products, follow the process again and again. Add shipping cost and VAT if applicable. Add your purchase paid amount. Now select your payment type and payment account. Check your all detail and click on Submit. Remember that Cash Boi is the most user-friendly and easy billing accounting software for everyone.